Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Ford Focus. Stock number is A6296A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Up top, you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. We're going to take a look inside now. You have cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, as well as dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so you can visit us online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.